So today we're down here in the Turia Riverbed Park, and this area was flooded out in, I think it's 1957. Is that right?
1957.
Okay. Flooded out, and now it is a huge park that runs the span of the city. It's beautiful. You can bike, walk. There's some soccer or football parks through here. Football. And so we're going to walk through here. And then we're going to head down to the City of Arts and Science, and that's a beautiful area as well, and we'll go check that out.
It's kind of cool. Looks like putt-putt, but I think you play with like little bowling balls.
Like a mini golf course down here in the park.
You gotta bring your own balls.
Yeah. So in here is a rose garden. Definitely not right in season, so probably not as pretty as it usually is. Yeah. But once again, pretty darn cool place. Right back here they have the cafe that we just walked through. Grab a snack or a drink. And then over here, we're going to walk over here in a second and check out the City of Art and Science.
But you literally cannot go anywhere in Valencia without a bike lane. Bike lanes everywhere. I have no idea what they're saying, by the way.
They're telling the scooter to get over because there's a scooter that needs to get by.
Oh. Well.
I just assume.
Did you interpret that, or did you just figure it out on your own?
Spanish is awesome.
Yeah. Check this out. Carrie's way down there, and she's going to talk into the corner. The sound is going to go up and around right to here. So I'll start. Hey Carrie, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
It's so weird. It's like she's standing right next to me. Say something again.
Hi.
Hey.
Hey.
I could do this all day. Look how far away she is. Oh, kind of cool. Science Center.
Okay, so
now we can start talking.
So we're up above the complex here, and kind of gives you a broad scope of just how big this area is and what's here. And it's all the different buildings we have down here. We have the art center, a lot of music venues. That's really where they have a lot of their music that plays and concerts and stuff like that. There's been a few things since we've been here so far. In the middle, we've got the Hemispheric, and that's the IMAX theater. And then over on the side, we also have a museum, and then also the aquarium on the far end.